All right. And you know I always have to start with, hello, lovies. This time I get to look at you and say it. All right. We're going to practice. What sounds do you hear? And today I just felt like a little bit of aliens. So, Jude's going to help me with this one, and we're not going to even do the letter names. We're just going to do the sounds that we hear in words. If I did Jude, I would hear Jude, wouldn't I?
Yes. Yeah.
All right. First one is cow. Ow. Brown cow, ow. Ow. Two sounds. All right. How about saw? Aw. All right. How about pancake? Now, if it's a big word, clap out pancake for me. Pancake. Perfect. So first we'll do pan, and then we'll do cake. You ready? Pan. Pan. Now we'll do cake. Pancake. All right. Moon. Ooh. Good one.
I like
moon.
Moon. I like it if you drunk one and put it on the moon.
I know, he should have been walking on the moon. All right, oops, flowers. Do you notice what picture I used for flowers?
What?
Marigolds. Because we've been planting them, right?
Yeah.
For the butterflies. All right. Oh, ow, since there's more than one, I had to put oh, ow, flowers. All right, pool. What's the first sound? Ooh, oh, pool. Author.
Look at that. There's cards.
Awesome. So it takes two letters for each one. A-U-T-H-O-R. Author. Match.
Dad, I have a question.
Wait just a second. Match.
Oh, I never got to turn in that room.
Rope.
I should go in that room.
Nope.
Since I never got
R-O-P. Rope. Starfish. So we're going to do star first. All right. R-I-S-H.
Those aliens look a little
Starfish.
Scary.
All right, starfish. Thread. Watch me say thread. I'm going to stick my tongue out at you. That's T-H. Thread. Yawn. Yawn.
Those aliens are yawning.
Nope, but the man is. Book. Good one. Book.
Gaga, you could do the word alien.
Stove. Stove. Okay. Snowman. Clap out snowman for me.
Snowman.
Exactly right. So we're going to do snow first. Snow. Now we'll do man. Man. Snowman. Hook. Hook. Hamburger. Ready? You want to clap out hamburger? Hamburger. 3. Yep. All right, we're going to do ham first. Now burger.
Those aliens are crossing their eyes because the hamburger's there.
Well, I hope that's enough for all of them. Sheep. Sh. E. P.
Whoa, that's
Sheep.
scary. Look at all the arms they
Tooth.
have.
Ooh, gooey goo.
You look like a bug alien.
Tooth. Yeah, they
Yeah,
do.
you look like an alien.
All right. And we have good work. I couldn't put reading because we didn't do any reading. There were no letters. There were just sounds. All right. Then we say, see you later, alligator. And to the bleachers, silly creatures. Great job.